So hello everyone, today our two beautiful students they conversation each other. So I have given this specific topic. So you can start now and conversation. Okay?
Okay.
Take a start.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am also good. How are you Bengali?
Yes, I am Bengali. And you?
I am Indian. Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh in Dhaka. And you?
I am from Indian in Kolkata. How long have you been London?
I have been staying here for 1 year.
Why do you stay here?
I am staying here for study.
Which class do you study?
I am studying class 7 at Cambridge International School.
Wow, that's nice.
Say something about yourself.
Sorry friends, now I am busy. Talk to later. It's nice conversation with you. Allah Hafiz.
Bye, okay.